message and a product review. You know when you say, I love you and I support you, but you never invest in that person? Let me tell you about yourself. I'm just kidding. But no, seriously, let me tell you something. This person that I bought this from, this all goes with the message. I don't know her. She sent a message and said, hey, can you check out my product? I went and bought it. Didn't ask for anything free. I went and I bought it, and I just met her the same day. Some of you have been following other content creators, self-published, independent artists, self-employed, self, whatever. You've been following them for years, and you don't support them in anything other than, we love you, sis, we support you, we root for you, ooh, we praying for you. That's one of the worst, to be honest, because we really don't need your prayers, because we've already prayed and we've created a product. You know what I'm saying? The person that made this, or even myself, I am Dorian.com, my books, I ain't bringing none of my stuff, my books, my albums, I don't really need your prayers. I need you to invest. This person, people that have products, we need you to invest. Oh God, we pray for her success. And you know what God's going to answer and say? Well, her success depends on your invest. You know what I'm saying? You need to invest. You do. And I'm talking about people that have followed me, even me. I'm not sure about her, but I'm sure she's a business owner that have followed people for years. And all you do is comment, and all you say is, we praying for you, we love you, we support you. But how? When you haven't invested in somebody. Now listen, because I put my money where my heart is, and I put my money where my mouth is. I have a whole video where I have business owners where I would buy their stuff and feature it in my videos, right? I would buy it. I bought this lady's rings and I would invest, and then I would tag her in the videos, right? So all I'm saying is, when you pray for our success comes when you invest. When we have went through the work of making labels and creating things, by the way, this is Kita Organics, and this is Shea Butter Body Cream. And this one is a body cream as well. So she sent me two. Oh, sugar. That's so sweet. And so, yeah, I went out and bought one, and she sent me two. Well, you know, Dorian, some of these businesses are scams. Use your intuition. That's what my channel is called, You Living Intuitively. But I think this is going to be on my business realtor page. But my other channels, Live Intuitively. And not only that, when you see somebody has an actual product, my website, I have actual products. You've seen me hold them. You've seen they're real. You know, follow your intuition. And so that's not an excuse. And then number two, you say, well, some of these business owners, their prices are so high because they're self-employed. They pay for everything. We pay for everything, right? Not only that, you'll go to Amazon, you go to Walmart and Target and all those different things. And here's the thing. If you say their prices are too high, don't pray for our success. Pray that God will give you more money. That's what your prayer should be. God, give me some more money so that I can go buy this lady's product, so I can go buy stuff from Dorian. Stop using those excuses, just saying, well, I'll just send a prayer and I think I did good. No, we've already prayed. And prayer is just manifestation, is creating what you desire. She's already done that. What your prayer's gonna do? I'm just being honest. She's already done that. What she needs you to do is, and I'm just using her example because I just met her and I said I was going to bring this message anyway. And I'm like, it goes perfect with this. And so we need you to go to our websites. I don't care if you need to buy the cheapest thing. I don't care if you don't like the product. If you like me, if you love me, as you say, I like her. I support her. I love her. Oh, I love the messages she brings. Okay, where's the energy exchange? You understand? Where's the energy exchange? The energy exchange is money. Okay. Comments are great, shares are great, likes are great, because you may share something because you don't have the money. You may share it with somebody and then they have the money and then they'll go buy it. So we're not saying to stop that. All we're talking about is people that have followed us for years and have never invested, but they keep typing, I love you, I support you. And it's not to negate that and say that they don't. But if it's been, for me, 2015, when I wrote my first book, I don't know how many years that is. But let's take the second round of people from my second album and my second book. That's 2019, 2021, 22, 23, 4 years. I know people that have been on my page for 4 years, and all they do is, I love you, I support you, we praying for you, and have never went to my website and bought anything. So if you say, well, you know, I just can't afford it. Well, if in 4 years you have not changed your financial situation to where you can go buy a product, even a $10 product on somebody's page, you don't need to be praying for me. You need to be praying for yourself. You need to be in your prayer closet saying, God, help me with my money, because something is wrong. You understand what I'm saying? So, oh Lord, the smell. Oh, that smells so good. Whew, that smells really good. It's the same product, but I want to smell it. That smells really, really good. And we're going to get into that. But so all I'm saying is love and support. You want us to have success, then invest. Real talk, okay? It's not about, oh, we need your money, because some of us have been doing this for years. But it gets like, ew, stop saying that, because you don't. And you have never went to any of our websites to buy anything, right? And here's the thing, even if you don't like the product, if you don't wear body cream, buy it for somebody else. There's a man, there's a woman out there that wears this kind of stuff. If you don't read books, buy it. Go put it on somebody's kitchen table or a coffee table. If you don't like their product, y'all, I'm finna get into this product. Oh my God. And I'm not just saying that. I don't know this woman. I just met her. We just had one conversation. It's nice. And I make my own lotions. I'm gonna get into that too. I make this stuff, but yet I'm still supporting somebody else and still promoting their product. You understand what I'm saying? So what was I saying? Yeah, so even if you don't like a product that somebody says, if you like that person and you say you love them, you know, well, I really don't wear hoodies, Dorian. I don't drink out of mugs. Well, I don't wear body cream, but you know somebody that do. Or buy it and go just give it to somebody as a gift. Stop that, okay? Here's a prayer that you can pray from my series, Prayers That We Pray. Go watch those. Instead of saying we're sending you our prayers, how about you pray and ask God, how much should I invest? How much should I donate? How much of this product should I buy? How much should I send her? Because I do love her. I do support her. I think she has a great message. But we don't do that. Sometimes people are lazy and they just want to do the least amount of effort and think they're doing something, or just broke because they're not giving like they should be giving. You understand what I'm saying? So pray those prayers. If you're going to pray things like this. How much product should I buy since I keep saying I love and I support this sister for all these years? How much, should I donate since I love and support and wishing them the best? And, I've been your biggest fan. That's a big one right there. I've been your biggest fan for years. Really, you don't love me then. If you're not really supporting and investing in me and sowing seed into me, or anybody that has a legitimate business, if you don't invest because you like what I do for you, you love how I make you feel, but don't say you love me. Don't say you're my biggest fan. And then if that's all it is, that's not true, because a fan got all of Michael Jackson, all Stevie Wonder stuff, all whoever, Pink, whatever your artist is. Okay. You got all the stuff. You got all the products when you're a big fan. Like when my dad died, he was my biggest fan and I didn't know it. When he died and I went through his stuff, he had all my albums, all my books. He didn't do internet, but he had all my stuff. He was one of my biggest fans. I'll say that because there's some people who do have all my stuff. So when nobody told you to start a business, when nobody told you to say, I love you and I support you, and you don't. And then, faith without works is dead. That's what y'all say. Okay, so put your works to where where you say, I have faith in you. I believe in you. When you say I believe in you and I believe that, you're going to be successful, that means you have faith. So where's your works to go with that? That means you have faith. Let me take my rings off so I can get into this. Where's your works that says that I believe in this person, right? That's why those cities that experience tragedies are like annoyed when people say, we're sending our prayers and our thoughts. They don't care. They want you to come down there. That's why people start doing, those rallies, and then they want to go fight gun laws, and they want to go do this when there's a shoot up or shootout at a certain city or something. People go and they start getting in there. That's what those protests and all that kind of stuff, even if it doesn't come to anything, they go out there and they want to fight for something instead of just sending prayers and thoughts. It's the same thing when you have people that own their own businesses and have products and services, and he's like, well, I wish you the best, girl. So I think we get the point. Let me get my elbows and then I'm going to tell y'all about this product. And if you've seen my other videos, even when I go into working out or doing products or whatever I'm doing, juicing, I'll still be talking noise. So there still may be more message to come. But we get the point, right? If you want someone to have success, you have to invest. Even if it is your time, you can invest time and say, hey, sis, you need help shipping, you need help, getting labels done. Oh, here's a good one. Let's say you have an auntie that's on TikTok or something and she sells something. I don't know. It's just, her name is Rakita. Let's say Auntie Rakita, Keto Organics, and this is the website, kitaorganicsllc.com. Let's say she was to do these in glass jars locally or just wherever she sells stuff, right? Well, then if you could ask her, what kind of jars do you use? I'm going to send you 24 jars. You give me the link and I'll order them from your warehouse or something like that. That's all I'm saying is there's ways to invest if you don't like the actual product. Well, I don't really wear that stuff. Well, sis, how much do these cost? And I'll send you a PayPal or I'll send you a Zelle and I'll sell you some money to help you. That's all I'm saying is we got to stop all this talking. We see these music artists or whoever online are like, "Ooh, girl, I hope they do good. I wish they do the best." And then you go on Shein or Temu. Is it Temu? And then you go order a bunch of stuff and you didn't support somebody who has a business, who is independent and, doing everything themselves. Y'all, this feels good. They're all natural products. I'm not going to say the list because, I won't be putting people's stuff out there like that. But it's all natural. It is a shea butter body cream. Y'all, this stuff is fabulous. It's not oily. It's not greasy. It goes right into the skin. And it smells amazing. Super, super soft. You know me, I'm into the all natural stuff. They're all natural ingredients and oils. Shea butter body cream. This is the signature scent by Kita Organics. So go to her website, kitaorganicsllc.com, and I'll tag it. And if you are a business owner, you are self-published, and this is stuff that you wanted to say and you couldn't say or scared to say, share the video. Share the video. And people will start to get the message. Love and support comes when you invest. And you Christians, y'all can be some of the, because y'all are quick to throw them prayers out and don't put any works with it, even in your own personal life. And I'll throw one at you. God so loved the world that he gave. Okay? And all I'm saying is year after year after year, the same old, we love you, we support you. Success comes when you invest. I make lotions. I don't sell them. She sells them. I make my own lotion, my own deodorant, and oils and all that kind of stuff, but I don't sell them. She does. So I would endorse this product. You know what I'm saying? It smells good. It feels good, natural, and she's a beautiful, beautiful soul. And her customer service is amazing. I'm sure, you won't have any issues getting your product. And when it came in the mail, because she's in Chicago, and this came all the way to Texas. Perfect. Nice and firm. It wasn't melted or ghetto or ganky or nothing like that. You know what I'm saying? It was really, really good. So support her. Support people that you follow, that you know, that you've seen year after year do things consistently. Support me. IamDorian.com. Okay? And let's put our money where our mouth is, but let's also put our money where our heart is. Oh, my Lord. Lord, Lord, Lord. Bet y'all don't know what movie that came from. Look at this. Oh, let me show y'all. Let me give y'all a close-up like they do in those YouTube videos. See this right here? This is the consistency. It feels so good. Look at that. Just melts. Look at that. Yeah. Excuse my nails. I was just about to, I was doing my nails and then I got my package. So that's that on that. Yeah, but this was just, a quick video. No bells and whistles. Just me on the floor working out this great product. So y'all get online. Go place your orders. Some of y'all got paid today. And it's around the 15th. So do what you got to do. And show support. And show some love. So invest for their success. All right.